Hey everyone! Today we are looking at the Wi4You cable pass-through wall plate. This in-wall cable management kit makes creating clean cable access simple. It includes a sturdy low-voltage mounting bracket for secure wall installation. The design fits standard single-gang boxes and works with all your low-voltage wires. Use it for HDMI, audio, video, and networking cables around your home or office. It keeps your entertainment center or media room looking organized and professional. Pick up this handy kit to upgrade your cable management today. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.